And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders. This is Fxpassion broadcasting you live on TradingView. And this is Forex Trading Course 101. Remember, trading is a learnable skill when we learn in the correct way the MST. What is the MST? M stands for the market, S stands for the strategy, and T stands for the trader, right? So trading is a learnable skill. We can make some money when we learn the how the market works, how the strategy works, and how the trader. Hello Musa, how are you? And we have the modules here, everybody. Remember, 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide. The webinars are not trading or investment advice. The webinars are for educational purposes only. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And for questions or homeworks, TradingView House rules apply. You can contact me in private chat. Never forget, having 2 skills is better than 1. Having 3 skills is better than 2, especially in times of uncertainty. And trading is a learnable skill. Please share this course, okay? It's for free. It's for free. Forex Trading Course 101. It's for free. So today, right? Today, everybody, what is market wave and how to understand, everybody? Lucas, hello, how are you? Everybody, would you like to learn why we, as beginner traders, why we lose so many times when we trade short-term trends? Would you like to learn why we are trading short-term trends and we lose so many times? Right? We are buying the uptrend and we lose, or we are shorting the downtrend and we lose again, right? Why this happens? Would you like to learn this stuff, everybody? Why this happens? And I'm missing my star. There you go. Here it is. Right? Okay, so lesson today is what is the market wave, okay? So let's talk about tradable patterns so far, okay? Tradable patterns so far, right? Number 1, the monthly bands, monthly bands from yesterday. Everybody, do you have any questions about what we've learned so far? Any questions about lesson number 1, lesson number 2? Any questions about the long-term bias and the short-term trends? Any questions about how we confirm the trend? Any questions about highs and lows? In the meantime, tradable patterns, the monthly bands. Number 2, short-term trend. Okay, number 3 today, the market wave, the market wave. Okay, this is the lesson, everybody. You should watch this webinar 4 or 5 times. Oh, you are exaggerating, right? No, I'm not exaggerating. If you're a beginner trader, watch this webinar 4 or 5 times, not 1 or 2, 4 or 5. Okay, so we are on Audsd CAD monthly chart, and the first tradable pattern we clarified you in lesson number 1 is that the monthly band are the monthly bands, right? We have the lower band and we have the upper band, right? So this is one. And yesterday we learned about the short-term trends, right? We can trade maybe the uptrend, and then maybe we can trade the downtrend, right? And talking about trend trading, can you show an example of fake high and low? Lucas, would you be more specific? What do you mean by fake high and low? Okay, everybody, so, and now the market wave explains why so many times we are trading the short-term trend and we lose on the short-term trend. Okay, now what is the market wave? The market wave starts, okay, take a pen and paper, take a pen and paper. This is not a pen, right? It's not a pen. Take a pen and paper, okay, and let's write this down. The market wave starts with an extension, okay? Those are the rules of the market wave. Extension, okay? And don't confuse everybody with the Elliott waves. The market wave has nothing to do. I'm telling you right now, the market wave has nothing to do with Elliott waves, okay? And after the extension comes the what? Exactly, the retracement. Retracement. And once the retracement is over, everybody, then clone starts or happens one more time what? The extension. Okay, clone, there you go. So the market wave, we have two market waves, of course. We have a down market wave and we have an up market wave. Every market wave, okay, starts with an extension. So market wave rules. Market wave rules. Number one, starts with an extension. Number two, starts when drawing, it starts from the monthly bands, from the monthly bands, okay. Number three, talking about trading, the market wave, beginner traders, this is for you. The market wave is stronger. It's stronger than the short-term trend. Okay, so there you go. Okay, take a screenshot if you want. A false halo invalid. Lucas, you should be more specific, my friend. I cannot help you, I don't understand the question. Show you an example of fake high-low. What do you mean by fake high-low? I can show you a false breakout if you want. Okay. Back to class. Lesson number 4. What is the market wave and how to understand it for better trading? Tradable patterns. Lesson number 4. Beginner traders. We can trade the monthly bands, right? We learned about this in lesson number 1. It's a no-brainer. Yesterday, a little bit more complex, a little bit more risky, right, is the short-term trend. We learned yesterday how to identify highs and lows. We clarified to you the rules. We have a confirmed downtrend only and only when we have minimum 2 highs and 2 lows, and the second high and the second low are a lower low and a lower high. And number 3 today, we are starting to learn about the market wave. So market wave rules the market wave always starts with an extension. Okay. Number 2 starts when drawing from the monthly band. We're going to draw. We're going to put the market wave on the chart. And talking about trading, the market wave is stronger than the short-term trend. Oh, this is something interesting, right? Everybody, the market wave explains why we lose sometimes trading the short-term trends. So how we are going to understand and learn, everybody, when the market wave happens, and just give me a second, not this one. I'm trying to make it bolder. Bolder, visual clone, copy, hide, no. What is this one? No, okay. So on this market wave, we are going to have, in a down market wave, we are going to have short-term trends. Just give me a second. We're going to explain to you everything, everybody. Okay. So the market wave is the blue line. Okay. And as you can see, everybody, when the first, so in a down market wave, and those are the rules in here, the market wave starts with an extension. So in a down market wave, we are going to see what? A short-term downtrend. The market is going to make lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. In some point in time, the market wave is going to start the retracement. The market is not going to make lower lows, lower highs anymore. It's going to start to make what? Exactly, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So if I'm buying an uptrend as a beginner trader, nothing wrong, right? We don't have the proper education. But if I'm buying an uptrend, okay, and I'm not aware that this short-term uptrend, listen to me carefully, beginner traders, listen to me. If I'm seeing an uptrend, right, and I'm not aware that this uptrend, short-term uptrend, is a structural part of a down market wave, the blue line, then I'm going to buy the market in here with reason. It's making higher highs, higher lows. It's above the uptrend line. MACD, it's up, you know, stochastic, it's up, whatever. The JP Morgan Chase super mega unicorn robot, it's telling me to buy, right? I'm going to go along with reason, and I'm going to lose. Passion, can you repeat, please? Yes, sir. If I'm buying a short-term uptrend, we're going to show you on the chart, just give me a second. If I'm buying a short-term uptrend without being aware that this short-term uptrend is a structural part of a down market wave, the blue line, okay, then all the system and strategies we have, okay, MACD, EMA cross, stochastics, whatever, you know, okay, and I'm going to buy with reason. Make sense? I'm seeing the higher highs, higher lows, and this red line, everybody, could be the 15-minute chart, the 1 hour chart, the 2 hour chart, the sometimes the daily chart too. We are going to lose. Good news, beginner traders, the market wave, it's predictable. Okay? Now hopefully you're getting it. I'm telling you, watch this webinar 4 or 5 times. Okay? So, and when the retracement is going to end, then the short-term trend is going to change direction one more time. So it's going to start with a next down extension, okay? Then it's going to perform a down retracement. Oh no, this is an up retracement. No, it's not. No, it's not. The market wave is down, so this is a down retracement. And then it's going, when the down retracement is going to be over, the short-term trend from yesterday is going to change direction one more time. And it's going to start making again lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Okay? Any questions until now? Hopefully it's not that complex or difficult to understand. So the blue line is the market wave, everybody. The red line is the short-term trend. Any questions so far? So, and this is the base of everything, everybody. Okay, this kind of knowledge, swing trader, day trader, okay, scalper excluded, right? This is the foundation. With this kind of understanding how this market works and how the market wave works with the short-term trend, with this kind of practice and experience, you are not going anywhere. You know? Passion, I don't believe you. Okay, call me in a few years, all right? Call me in 3-4 years, you know? Okay? So the blue is the market wave and the red is the short-term trend. Market wave rules, talking about trading, the short-term trend is less strong. So the market wave is stronger than the short-term trend. Okay? And question, how we are going to understand when the retracement is going to start, or how we are going to understand when the retracement is over? Answer, we are going to see a change in the short-term trend. So question, just an example, how are we going to know that maybe the retracement is over? Okay, answer, we are going to see a change in the short-term trend. This is why yesterday we learned about how to conform the trend. Okay, everybody? So for the beginner trader, it's extremely important to understand that many times we are trading something, right? Maybe we are going long in here because we are trading something that we think, you know, we are going long in here thinking that we are trading an uptrend when we are really not. Or we are going long in here thinking that we are trading an uptrend where we are really not. Right? This is normal, everybody, in the beginning. So we need to make sense out of our losers. The market wave explains a lot of things, everybody. Why we lose many times, you know. We entered at the wrong time, maybe we entered in the wrong direction. So we are on Audsd monthly chart, right? And remember, to draw extension, retracement extension, we need to see trends. Okay, we need to see, to draw a down market wave, we need to see the market making lower lows, lower highs. And then to connect the extension to the retracement, we need to see the market making higher highs, higher lows. And yeah, we are going to talk about trading. Just give me a second. And then for the next extension, we need to see the change in the short-term trend again. Okay? So Audsd monthly chart, we are going to start market wave rule starts when drawing starts from the monthly band. So we are going to start from the monthly band, right? And what we are looking for, you know, maybe the monthly band is not the best example, right? So there are no short-term trends, right? So we are going to move from the monthly to the weekly chart. Let's compress the chart. Now it's better, right? Now we can see the trends, the short-term trends. Okay? So starting from the monthly bands, okay, we need to see a change in the short-term trend. So the market wave is going to be something like this. So this is extension, this is retracement, this is extension, this is retracement. Let's compress the chart. This is extension, this is the retracement, this is the extension. Okay, everybody? And then we had the next retracement. Okay? Can you understand, everybody, why a lot of traders lost money up in here? Okay? I have a good news for you. Talking about the rules of trading, the market wave. So, firstly, let's try to understand how this market wave is done. So, from the theory, we need to see a change, right? A change in the short-term trend. Extension, the market should make lower lows, lower highs. Retracement, higher highs, higher lows. And the next extension, lower lows, lower highs. Okay? So, we have another rule. Okay? So, now 1, 2, 3, 4 extensions. Again, when drawing the market wave, extensions must be bigger or longer, call it as you want it, bigger or longer than retracements. Okay, extensions by default are bigger or longer. So when we draw a market wave, a down market wave in this example, the market wave cannot be like this. Make sense? This would be wrong. Okay? Why? Because the market wave starts with an extension. So this being the first extension must be longer or bigger. So, and the second one, this is the retracement, right? So the retracement cannot be bigger. Why not? Because it's not a down market wave anymore. It's making higher highs, higher lows. That being said, let's move into the chart. Right? So we are going to connect the short, maybe not every high and low, right? So in a down market wave, right? And let's change colors. Just give me a second. Okay. Retracement. Now extension, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Retracement, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Extension, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Retracement, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. One more time. Extension, lower lows, lower highs. Retracement, higher highs, higher lows. Extension, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Retracement, higher highs, higher lows. Extension, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. And finally, lastly, the last retracement, the market making higher highs, higher lows. Okay, everybody, can you see spatially? It's going to take some time, all right? So this is theory, but hopefully on the chart you can see how this is done. Okay, and watch these webinars 4 or 5 times. And practice, practice, practice. You are going to have the homework. Okay? So this is the weekly chart. Okay, this is the weekly chart. And talking about trading, right? Talking about trading, I believe this high is higher. I believe this high is higher than this high, right? If I'm not mistaken, let me see what is the value. 0.92815, 0.93, okay? So the concept, the trading concept, talking about different patterns, everybody, why this fall was predictable, not because of the market wave, but because of the monthly bands. So talking about probabilities, okay, between those three, who is the stronger? What would you say? Who is the stronger? The short-term trend, the market wave, or the monthly bands? What do you say, everybody? Who is the stronger? No, not all patterns are equal, okay? If all patterns would be equal, then trading would be random, you know? Then I can trade everything and anything. So lesson number 4 today, tradable patterns. I can trade the monthly bands, I can trade the short-term trend, and today I can trade also the market wave. And between those three patterns, who is stronger? So when this, and I'm going to clear up the chart, right? It's too messy. Okay, now clear up the chart, clean up the chart. Okay, this trend line break, this down movement, and in my opinion is going to continue to move down. Maybe I'm wrong, we don't have the crystal ball, right? Why this price movement? Why this was expected? The monthly bands, yes sir. So the strongest between the three are the monthly bands. Okay, the strongest are the monthly bands. Beginner traders, don't confuse direction with timing. Okay, we are talking about direction. The strongest are the monthly bands. Okay, number 2, what would you say? Who is stronger, the blue line or the red line? The blue line being the market wave and the red line being the short-term trend. Who is stronger? What do you say? Look at the chart and tell me what do you think. Is the short-term trend stronger? So is the red obeying the blue or is the blue obeying the red? Don't worry everybody, there is no right or wrong, we are here to learn, okay? You can say, oh, the next one is the red or the next one is the blue. So the strongest between the three are the monthly bands. Red. Okay, anybody else? Who is stronger? The market wave or the short-term trend? Musa, blue, exactly. So the correct answer is blue, everybody. Okay, so next is the market wave. Stronger than the short-term trend. Okay, stronger than the short-term trend. So the short-term trend between those three is the less stronger. Okay, that being said, we are going to move on AUD USD, just an example. AUD USD. Okay, we're going to clear up the chart, remove drawings. Okay, weekly chart. So So the market wave, this is the upper band, this is the lower band. Let's draw the monthly wave. I mean the market wave, not the monthly. The red obeys the blue. Yes, sir. So let's draw the market wave. Start with an extension, right? Extension, retracement, extension. Here or maybe here. Here, extension, retracement, extension, retracement. Let's compress the chart. Extension, retracement, extension. Okay, everybody? This is the market wave on Aud USD weekly chart. All right, now this is the good news, beginner traders. Okay, trading concept. If the market wave is going to continue, then the market must not break the market wave high in this example. Okay, so we have the market wave. It's also called the structural trend. Okay, the market wave is also called the structural trend. So talking about the market wave, we have structure high, we have structure low, we have structure high. Talking about the market wave, don't confuse. Structure low, structure high, structure low, structure high, and one more structure low. Okay, so talking about the market wave and the short-term trend, with this knowledge that the market wave is stronger. Oh, but I've seen, Gianpaolo, it was together with the market wave and the market broke the market wave. It happens time to time. It's a probability game, everybody. Okay, what is the psychological trick for the beginner trader? Just because sometimes some concept is not going to work, okay, we cannot generalize. Like the Fibonacci's, right? Oh, the market broke the A, Fibonacci doesn't work. Well, show me the last 20 trades with the Fibonacci's and I'm going to show that Fibonacci does work, right? Oh, the market wave doesn't work. How many trades did you do? One. Oh, the other concept doesn't work. How many trades did you do? One. Okay, beginner traders, it's a numbers game, it's a probability game. So nonetheless, trading concept, if the market wave is going to continue, the market must not break the market wave, in this example, the market wave high. With this knowledge, swing trader, short-term swing trader, day trader, we were going long. If you want, right, we could be long, but as soon as we've seen this here, market wave high, we should pay a lot of attention what the market is going to do. And as you can see, everybody, did the market broke the high of the market wave, yes or no? Did the market break? And I've been telling my students, don't go long in here, but the market's making higher highs, higher lows. Who is stronger? But the market's making higher highs, higher lows, and my JP Morgan, Chase, Unicorn, Citibank robot is telling me to buy. Who is stronger? Right? Nonetheless, did the market break the market wave high? Did the market break the structural high? Yes or no? Passion, I don't believe you. Look at the chart, right? I don't need you to believe me. I need you to see it on the chart, everybody. Did the market... I cannot see clearly. I'm going to draw a horizontal line. Did the market break the structural high? Hasmi says no. Okay. Why not? How did you know? You must be a genius, right? You must be a genius. Those are concepts, everybody, from, I don't know, I didn't study history, but those are concepts from the early ages of the financial markets. Okay? What does this mean to you as a beginner trader? This trend line break was predictable. And as a beginner trader, if you went long in here, now you know the answer. Why did you lose? So let's say that I'm a beginner trader and I don't see the future, right? I don't have the crystal ball, right? I don't see the future. The market is in an uptrend. And with reason, let's be honest, with reason, I am buying here the market. I'm long, right? With reason, I'm long in here. The market's making higher highs, higher lows. This is the weekly chart. If the weekly chart is pushing up, the 15-minute chart, the 30-minute chart, the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, and the daily are going to push up too. So I'm going long with reason, right? And I lost. Question, why did we lose? Why did I lose? What's the answer? So this is the homework for next week. We are not going to have class tomorrow. See you back on Tuesday, right? Every time that we are trading the short-term trends and we lose, there is a technical explanation why the short-term trend changed on every currency pair, on every time frame. Tell me, you don't believe me, right? I'm going to show you. But let's go step by step. Why did we lose, everybody? Going long. What's the reason? Passion, show me how to make money. First, we need to learn how not to lose money anymore. Okay, everybody? This is the path. We need to understand. Everybody makes mistakes. This is how we learn. We need to make sense out of our losers. And we need to stop losing money first. Then we can start making money. So, if we went long, right, and our friend told us don't go long, the market is going to reverse, most likely, and it happened. What's the technical reason that we lost? It could be the market wave, short-term trend, the monthly bands. What would you say? So this is the challenge, right? Beginner traders, we were going long in here, making money, bam. Gave money back to the market. We lost because this is a down market wave. Thank you. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Okay. For the non-believers, tell me a currency pair, everybody. Somebody is going to say, oh, those lessons are prepared, right? Tell me a currency pair. I'm going to show you the market wave and I'm going to show you where the short-term trend loses, and I'm going to show you that until the market respects the market wave, the market is not going to break the structural high or low. Less probability entry point causes loss in long term. Yes, thank you for the comment. Tell me a currency pair, everybody. I'm going to show you the market wave. Okay. First comes, first is served. Okay. What would be a nice, I don't know, you know, I want you to tell me, because somebody's, you know, the smart guy, you know, or the smart girl is going to tell, oh, these lessons are prepared, you know, it cannot be that easy. NZD USD, thank you very much. NZD USD weekly chart. Tell me, everybody, with this knowledge from today, tell me, was this trend line break predictable? Right? If we lose and we don't know why we are losing, this is okay. When we are developing traders and we are trying to understand how this market works. Passion, can you repeat, please? Yes, sir. When we are losing and we don't know why, it's okay. But when we understand how these markets work, how this market works, pardon my English, you know, and we learn the concepts and the rules, what is stronger, what is connected to what, then those kind of losers are not okay anymore. Okay? I'm talking to the advanced students, not to the beginner traders. Okay? Advanced students, this was for you, not for the beginner trader. So, NZD USD, monthly chart, the upper band, the lower band, long-term bias, lesson number 1, long-term bias is down, and the rules of the monthly bands, it starts with an extension, right, and then it goes into retracement, and what is going to define the difference between extension, retracement, extension is the change in the short-term trend. So when we are drawing the monthly bands and the market way, everybody, you need to pay attention. This is not an uptrend. We don't have two highs and two lows where the second high is a higher high and the second low is a higher low. Okay, so this is why this is not going to be the retracement of the down market wave, but we can see it clearly in here. Extension, retracement, extension, retracement, all of this downfall was the extension, the next extension of the down market wave. Structural high of the market wave, structural low of the market wave, structural high of the market wave, structural low of the market wave. Question: did the market break the structural high? Yes or no? I cannot see it. I'm going to draw a horizontal line. Oh yes, but it almost means nothing. Okay, almost means nothing. Did the market break the down wave high? This one in here. Yes or no? Watch these lessons, everybody, a few times. This lesson in particular, 4 or 5 times. Oh, I'm not going to watch it 5 times. I'm not stupid. It's not about intelligence. Our brain, when learning, our brain cannot keep that much information. It makes sense today. It makes sense right now. But tomorrow, right? Watch these webinars 5 times. Hasmi says, no. Exactly. So with this proper knowledge that if the wave is going to continue, the market is not going to break the structural high, even though it happens time to time, and the cat is an example, most of the time is not. going to break the structure high. So with this knowledge, this down retracement and this trend line break, those things are predictable. This is the good news I wanted to understand, beginner traders, for today. The markets are not this, you know, unpredictable monster, you know. Okay, those kind of behaviors, it's still a probability profession, of course, but those kind of patterns, those kind of behaviors are predictable. Okay, tell me another currency pair, everybody. I'm going to show you that the market, I'm going to show one that it's nice, right? Let's check EuroCAD. EuroCAD, what's the time? 15 minutes. EuroCAD weekly chart. Let's go with the monthly first. EuroCAD monthly chart. We have the two bands. Lastly, it touched the lower band. Market structure. Okay, the market wave. Extension. Retracement with the different color. Extension, different color. Come on. Retracement, different color. It doesn't seem, but it's still a high. Extension. And one more. Retracement. Change colors. Retracement. Okay. This is the market wave. And now I'm changing to the weekly chart. This is the market wave, also called the structural trend. This is the uptrend. We're going to learn how to properly draw trend lines. This is the uptrend. Okay, I'm going to delete it. So this is the market wave from the higher time frame. Okay, everybody. So talking about the market wave, okay, this is an up market wave, right? Extension, retracement, extension. So, and this is the short-term trend inside the market wave. Extension, retracement, extension, right? Tell me, everybody, generally speaking, right? Generally speaking, when we are in an extension, like in here, and you are a day trader, swing trader, whatever trader, scalpers excluded, would it be wise to go long, to take long trades or short trades? It's a probability question. Yes, professional traders, we trade retracement too, but we are beginner traders, and this is lesson number 4 of the Forex course 101. So, back to the original question, what do you say? Day trader, swing trader, short-term swing trader, system trader, would it be wise, in an extension, probability-wise, would it be better to go long or short? What do you say? And the next question is, when we are in up retracement, right? Oh, how do you know? We are going to see the change in the short-term trend. When we are in an up retracement, scalpers, day traders, intraday traders, whatever traders, scalpers excluded, would it be wise to go long or short? Hasmi says long. And this concept, everybody, applies to all time frames. You are going to see this on the 15-minute chart. You are going to see this on the 2-hour chart. You are going to see this on the 4-hour chart. You are going to see this on the daily chart too. The market wave appears on all currency pairs and all time frames. Make sense? Next, currency pair. Tell me currency pair, everybody. Oh, which one? Which one? Somebody was asking USD CAD, right? From yesterday, USD CAD. Remove drawings, USD CAD, weekly chart. Market wave, where is the market wave? USD CAD weekly chart. Market wave, extension, retracement, extension. If I'm not mistaken, extension, retracement, lower lows, then starts higher highs. I believe this one, right? Extension, retracement, extension. And I'm not sure if this is the lower low, then this is the retracement on the market wave. Okay. Now one more thing and we are finished for today. Canada CHF, give me a second, okay. Trading concept. When I'm going to give you a question, everybody. If this is the up market wave, and if those are the short-term trends here, just an example, if those are the short-term trends, and if this is the market wave, everybody, let's make it blue, and we go long in here, what do you say? Where is the best stop loss level? Beginner traders, what do you think? If we go long in here, trading the short-term uptrend, where would be the safest stop loss? Where would be the safest stop loss? And what are the options? So if I'm going long on the short-term trend, I can choose to put the stop loss below the trend low. And the next stop loss would be the market wave low. Okay? And this concept applies to all currency pairs and all time frames. Let's say that we are going long in here, just an example. Right? This could be this back in time. Okay? We are going long because of Stochastic MACD, the Super JP Morgan Chase, Unicorn Robot, Expert Advisor, and the EMA Cross, and because our doc told us to go long in here. Okay, makes sense, right? Fair entry. Where would be the safest stop loss? What do you say? The end of the retracement. Why? Teacher Musa, why? Musa says here, this would be the safest place. Why is that? How many of you beginner traders are used to think that, oh, I want a small stop loss. I want a short loss. I want a small stop, right? How many of you think like this? You know? On every time frame. Could be the 15-minute chart, 1-hour chart, 2-hour chart, 4-hour chart, daily chart. You know? Oh, I don't want to risk more than 20 pips. How many of you are thinking, or at least have heard this, right? Your friend told you, oh, I want a short stop, right? I know I did. Okay, Musa says end of retracement. Great answer. Why? Some of you are sending me emails. Fxpassion, teach me how to make money. And I reply to you, you need to learn how to not lose anymore first. This is one of them. Okay? Clarifying that yes, it's still a probability profession. Yes, there are no guarantees. Okay? But at least we can make sense out of our losers. And once we make sense out of our losers, we can correct the things and not lose that much anymore. As I said before, some losers are acceptable. Some losers are not acceptable. I mean losing trades. Safest could be beginning point of the first extension, but yes sir, but why? Let's explain to the students why. Why this stop loss? It's still okay, you know, it's a stop loss. Better to have a stop loss than nothing. But why is this stop loss here better? Safest. Okay? Clarifying, yes sir, that the market can do anything it wants when it wants. It can crash structure and trends and market ways, right? But 8 times out of 10, it's not going to do this, the market. 7 times out of 10, the market is not going to do this. It's not going to behave like this. It's going to respect structure and is going to respect the market wave. Right? Safest could be point of extension, but the taper, okay. Everybody, so we need to move on. Okay, why? Because if we enter here, right? Or better example, we can enter up in here with stop loss here and or down in here, right? This is the answer, beginner traders. The market can reverse the short-term trend, stop us out on our stop loss, and stay like this, right? Just an example. Here is the question. Did the pattern change? We entered here going long with the green. Our stop loss did here. The market reversed, stop us out. Question, did the pattern, the market wave change? Yes or no? And it's common practice for the beginner trader how many times the market stop us out and then goes our way, right? Oh, the broker is against me. You know, they must have a camera in our home office, you know. The broker is spying on me. This game is just impossible, right? How many times, how many of you, this was me too, you know, back in time, right? The market stops me out and then goes my way every single time, right? And then I'm talking to my friends, oh yeah, you know, your broker is stop loss hunting, right? I mean, you know, this is another story for another conversation. There are dishonest brokers, of course, but the majority, you know, they are not doing the stop loss hunting, right? Especially if your stop loss is far, far, far away. They cannot hunt your stop loss. But this is another conversation for another time, right? Because we are in an uptrend, higher low. Because if the market hit the stop loss, the market will change direction. Exactly. So beginner traders, the market can hit your short stop loss, the market can hit your small stop loss, but it didn't change the pattern. This is maybe the most important thing from today to learn. Check your trading, hopefully demo trade, check your demo trading and try to figure out if the pattern that you traded changed In this example, this is the reason why when we trade the short-term trends, the safest stop loss is the market wave. Why? Because the market wave, it's called the structural trend too. Scalpers excluded. Scalping, it's 1-for-1. It's candlestick formation on the 5-minute chart, whatever. Okay. And because some of you are telling me, oh, Fxpassion, this is too much. Oh, Fxpassion, this is too complicated. Do you have anything else, right? Fxpassion, do you have anything else? Okay. If you want quicker results, everybody, and not waste 2 or 3 or 4 years to figure out the market, ask for private lessons of the Forex course 101. Time is an issue. Why would you waste it? Remember, the 101 course is the analyst part. If you want to learn how to be a trader, then you need to learn about the 202. Okay? There is some specific knowledge how professional traders trade. And it's different from the 101. And if you don't like the course and you don't like, well, if you prefer coaching or mentorship, ask for it. We will talk about your specific needs and goals, and I will show you the way, but you must do the work. And developing traders 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to get funded and trade for a regulated asset manager or hedge fund, ask for incubation. Okay? Those are your 1, 2, 3 next levels if you want. Okay? It's not a must. We are here to help. Okay, everybody, today it's our last lesson. Watch these webinars a few times. This one especially. Okay, and see you back on Tuesday, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Until Tuesday, stay strong, everybody, and trade with passion. This is Fxpassion signing off.